Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect your VPN on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to connect to VPN, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings, then select more connections and you'll get VPN settings. Here's that, tap on it. And here I have already installed one. If you ever won't have any VPN, you can easily customly add your VPNs from here by entering the details. But if you won't have any VPN, you can easily install a third-party application. Open your Play Store, go for search, and search for VPN. Just search for it, and after that you'll get a list of different VPNs. You just have to select one of them which you want. As I have installed this one, so just tap on Open to open the VPN. After the opening, you can easily connect to it. So let's see how. After that, it will show you something like this. You just have to tap on it to connect. If you want to change the server, just select the globe icon, and here you can easily select the server which you want to connect. So that's how you can easily connect to any VPN to Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.